What is VAT and do you need to register? Stay tuned to the end where I'm also going to show you how to calculate your inclusive VAT and your exclusive VAT from a receipt or an invoice. Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm an accountant in practice here in the UK and I deal with VAT all day long, nearly every day. I do quarterly and monthly VAT returns for our clients. So anyway, this is what I know about VAT. Let's get into the video. If you have any questions along the way, leave them in the comments and I will answer every single one. VAT is a consumption tax levied on the value added to goods or services at each stage of production or distribution. Unlike sales tax, which is paid by the end user, VAT or value added tax is collected at multiple stages of the supply chain. Most of the stuff we buy every single day has VAT included or VAT added on, such as diesel. I bought diesel yesterday. I put £20 in. But what I actually got was £16.67 for the diesel, and the rest was VAT. £3.33 was VAT. Take this Aldi receipt, for instance. At the bottom of most receipts, you'll find your VAT calculations. So I bought £40.25's worth of Xero rated items and £29.4's worth of 20% rated items. So VAT is everywhere, we just don't see it until maybe it's on an invoice from a builder or something, and then it's at the bottom. Big massive VAT bill at the bottom that you've got to pay. The current threshold for VAT at the minute is £85,000. So if your business has traded £85,000 revenue in the last 12 months, then you will need to register for VAT. There are instances where you might want to register for VAT straight away. See, if you were a B2B business and your end user is another business who are VAT registered, then it's beneficial for you to register for VAT as well. However, if you are just dealing with the general public and your customers aren't VAT registered, it's a good idea not to register for VAT straight away. If your product is a Xero rated item and you're selling it at the Xero rated VAT, this might be another instance where you want to register for VAT straight away because you can reclaim the VAT on all of your purchases. If you're dealing with reverse charge VAT, it's a good idea to talk to your accountant about this first. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It'll help us with the YouTube algorithm and inspire me to keep making more videos and actually get better at it. Yeah, so please give us a thumbs up. If you want to know how much VAT you've been charged because you've lost your receipt or you've lost your invoice or something like that, there's an easy way to work it out. Simply divide the total by 6, which will give you the VAT amount that was charged. So say you bought something for £120 and you want to know how much VAT you've paid on that, simply divide the £120 by 6, which will give you £20. That's the VAT amount, and minus the £20 from the £120 gives you £100. The £100 is the net amount. Add those both together and you get £120 in total. Say you want to add VAT to your invoicing, so you've just registered for VAT and you need to add VAT to your invoices. The calculation is simply your net price times 1.2 equals your gross. So how this works is, if your product is £120 and you want to add 20% VAT, it's 120 times 1.2, which gives you a total of 144, which is £24 VAT. Another important thing to note about VAT is we've got something called Making Tax Digital, MTD, and it's a requirement now that if you're a VAT registered business, you must use software to submit your VAT returns. We use Quickbooks, so if you want to get in touch, we can help you get set up with your VAT. And there is another way to do it where you can still use spreadsheets, but you need another piece of software that will connect your spreadsheet to the HMRC gateway. So it's so much easier just to use a software like Quickbooks or Xero. But anyway, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching and sticking around. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.